Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's a very special video. As you can see, we are all colorful with our Pride colorful outfit because this time of the year, everywhere around the world, it's Pride. So a few days ago, we asked you on YouTube and Instagram to ask us questions about anything because this is a Q&A question, by the way. So we ask you to ask us a question about anything Pride, being gay, LGBT related. And obviously we got a lot of responses. I read some of them already and I see a lot of common questions.
Okay.
The most common one is, when are you gonna get married? The wedding.
Simple answer, never.
Never! I always like this type of videos because we just sit down and we just get to know you guys, or you get to know us by asking us questions. Are you ready to answer these questions, Fabio?
Where's my crown?
I just want to share a little bit about a gay pride story because young people nowadays don't really know the history of it. So gay pride,
History lesson 101.
Gay pride started as a protest, so it was never a party. It was a party later on. It was a protest in Stonewall in New York City when the gay people were fighting against the police because the police raided the clubs, the dance parties, and pretty much the discrimination from the police. That's why you hear everywhere in the news that police never march in the gay pride parade, and there's a feud between the police and the gay LGBT community. We should thank the older generation for paving the way for us younger gay people, for letting us strut on the streets freely with no fear. Thank you! Bling! Bling! So if you are celebrating Pride Parade, always remember that it started as a riot. It was never a party. It was a fight for our freedom. But now it is a party because we are now free. Okay, so let's go ahead and answer the question, Fabio. So the first question is a very good question. What is your message to the people who still frown upon the LGBT community?
My answer to that would be to get to know some of them. Probably if you frown is because you are not fully understanding what's going on in the community and why love is the way it is.
Yes.
You cannot really force it one way or another. It just flows naturally. Whatever your soul or whatever you were meant to be, that's where it's gonna go.
Yeah.
So whether you force it or not, love is gonna always find a way. And if you're still unsure about why there are gays, why there are trans, or whatever else, get informed, read, ask questions, be open, and have an open mind about things. Then you'll make up your mind. Maybe you'll still frown, maybe not. I don't know.
That's a very good answer. Just to add to that, just don't close your doors. In this world and day and age, diversity is always rampant. It's rampant. It's rampant. It's everywhere around us. And do not close your doors to something that is not accustomed to you. You know how those beauty pageants, they always say, I would like to raise awareness. What that means is just really pretty much keeping the conversation going about a certain topic so that some people who haven't heard of it might be aware and it will be better in the future. How did your parents react on coming out that you're gay?
They said,
Fabio had the easiest coming out story of all the gay history.
They said, okay, one more pasta?
Honestly.
That's it.
Honestly, that's it.
No, they just asked me if I was happy, and I said yes. And they said, we knew that you were gay. Obviously, come on, bitch. Let's be real. We all know.
But the fact that your parents are so open and they knew and they just accepted it. Well, my parents did not like it at first. It was a long story. If you would like me to make a whole coming out video, we will make that. But it was a whole different story, different from Fabio. It was a lot harder. It was years of struggle, problems at home, but now the only thing that matters is now we're fine. And it's Pride. And everything's happy and colorful. Okay, next question.
You look like a Oompa Loompa. You look like KZ on that.
Hi Yani and Fabio. First of all, I wanted to say that I really love you both. I have a question to both of you. Do you see yourselves having a family someday or getting married? Okay, if I can count the getting married question in this series of questions, we're gonna be rich. I would like to say that we are already a family. If you mean if we are gonna have kids someday, I see the future. I could see it. But I'm not in the very near future because we have certain plans that doesn't involve kids.
Yeah.
Because imagine traveling the world with kids. Oh my gosh. I'm not opposed to getting married.
I'm not opposed to anything. I just want a big family and I know that, and we'll see.
Have you guys kissed before?
We're
No.
waiting for the marriage.
Yeah,
we're
saving
Christians.
it. We're saving it for marriage. Yeah. Are you planning to get married?
Oh my gosh! Again, we should put a number on how many
I
times
should.
they.
Hi, I came out to my parents as a bisexual last June 12, Independence Day here in the Philippines. It was hard, but it felt good. When your motivation is love, you can do anything you want. I'm so in love with my girlfriend, I can do anything for her. My mom went through a hard time accepting, but I know we will get there. I'm just sharing. Happy Pride to us. Aww, that wasn't really a question, but that was good.
Very nice. Good for you.
Yeah, this is Lian Zhang. So shout out to you. Thank you. Good for you for coming out. That's the best thing you could have
Yeah.
done for yourself.
And good luck with your relationship.
Yeah. Do you guys have plans of getting married? How about having kids in the future?
Oh, just put it on a loop then. This damn video.
Do you guys want to
Done
have?
with it.
Do you guys want to have kids in the future? Kids, married. This is like all.
It's like rampant.
rampant for
Like-
beauty pageant. Are you planning to adopt or be a parent someday? Okay, this question. I don't know. I don't want to answer this, but let's just do it. Is it possible? Is it still possible for you guys to fall in love with a girl? I have another question. When do you plan to visit Philippines? Looking forward to see you both. This is Cynthia Casiple.
Oh, hi Cynthia. So for me, no, I don't think I will fall in love with a girl simply because there's no really
Attraction.
sexual chemistry or
Yeah.
whatever, anything to fall in love. You, at least for my personal experience, I fall in love with the body first.
No, that's actually true.
It's the truth.
It's the
You just
truth
look at
here.
the person, you like it or not.
It's actually the truth here. Like, love never comes first. It's always lust. To answer the question, we are gay. So, Fabio's right. We're not attracted to women. If we were bi, there's chance. But we're not bi. Are you? I'm not. Maybe I am. I don't know.
Maybe you are, bitch. Where?
I'm kidding.
Bi gay, you're bi gay. That's what you are.
Oh, is it offensive if I ask a homosexual his or her gender?
I don't
even
think
know.
so. I will not get offended. You can ask me and I will tell you. I have a penis. Look at it.
Gender and okay, yeah. I always get confused because gender and sexuality are two different things.
I think you can, if you go and ask the question because you want to learn, just go and do
Yes,
it.
but do not be rude about it. But what I would suggest is, how would you prefer to be identified as? Those would be the most appropriate question. Like, how would you like me to identify you as? Oh my god, here's a question. In a society, Philippines, where the influence of Catholicism is rampant, whether it be on beliefs and values of the people, how do you think we can reshape the mindset of our people toward the LGBTQ community in order to achieve inclusivity and respect?
Wow, that's a beautiful question.
Thank you for the wonderful question. So, how do you think we can reshape the mindset of our people? You know what? Philippines has come a long way. Depends on the demographics. Obviously, we probably know all this. Like the older generation, let's also understand them that they came from a generation and their background is not really exposed to the newer generation. The younger generation, however, are very exposed to this type of things. The younger generation are exposed to the internet, they read a lot of news, and they're more aware. So how to reshape the mindset? I would say just keep the conversation going again. Do not fight. Don't fight fire with fire.
There's nothing really to reshape. It's
There's
just
nothing, yeah.
There are beliefs in the world, and that's okay. We need to all accept each other and
Yes.
respect each other. So if there's a respect and will to improve and learn, open your mind and put yourself in someone else's shoes.
Yes.
There's not even a problem.
Just don't fear. Just don't. Just do not close your minds again. When I came out to my parents and we had like a fight because it was like a hard time throughout the year. The last thing that I said to my dad is like, I'm tired of fighting. It's actually tiring. This could be applied to the world too. Everybody has been fighting for certain things that they believed in. So what I told my dad is, I'm tired of fighting. How about let's just meet in the middle? I respect your values, and I would like you to respect mine as well. And let's meet in the middle. And let's just let love lead the way. And after that, that was actually a very nice household after that. We stopped pushing to each other our own beliefs and our own differences. Instead, we learned to accept our own different beliefs and we learned to accept our differences.
Wonderful.
And I...
Bowling.
Bowling! How do you handle the discrimination to both of you? Oh, this is Fabio's question because he doesn't handle it very well.
Well, first of all, I would say Fuck off, Jessica.
Fabio
Shove
gets
your-
mad easily.
Shove your discrimination up your ass. Well, honestly, funny story, we were walking down the streets here in Toronto holding hands, and a woman came up to us and said, first of all, she was begging for money.
Yes.
And then she just stopped begging and she looked at my hand holding Yani's hand and she was like, you should not hold the guy's hand.
Yeah, you should hold a wife.
And I'm like, this is Canada, thank you.
Yeah. First of all, she was asking for money, and the fact that we didn't give her money, that probably triggered her. I don't know. Like, imagine if we gave her money and then she
I would have slapped
I would
down.
have taken the money back. Like, bitch, give me the money.
You just have to understand that some people just don't know.
Yeah.
And they are born and they're immersed in cultural and
because obviously she came from a different country, she came from a different culture.
Yes,
yeah.
So it's a completely different environment you grow up. So when when you go to a different country and you see so much diversity and you still carry on your beliefs,
yes,
right? So discrimination is fine, whatever.
But obviously Fabio didn't handle it well, because throughout the day he actually kept on saying like, that woman, oh my gosh, that ruined my day.
It actually gets me.
It get to him, but
it's just because it blew my mind. Well, that was a longer story anyways, so I'm not gonna...
That question was asked by Jerome Christian, and the next question was actually almost similar. This was asked by Jasmine De Jesus. Were you ever discriminated as a gay couple? Please tell us the story and how did you cope with it? The other story as well was when we were walking hand, and again we were just holding hand. We were walking and we were holding hand. What did I say? And this guy walked past us and he just he said to us, "Get a room," or something.
Oh yeah.
And that night I was the one who got mad. I turned around and actually looked at the guy. Well, we do have a room. Do you? Do you have a room? And then he didn't answer, so he walked away.
Literally, we were just holding hands.
I was ready to fight. I was ready to fight. No, you should not do that. Don't fight anyone.
Don't fight. Just be smarter and just walk.
Yes.
away.
Are you both agreed to marry someday and have kids?
Yeah. Okay. Whatever.
When are you gonna get married? Oh my gosh. Okay, so now let's go on to Instagram. Okay, this one is not pride gay related, but it's a very good question. When you meet Nadine, anything you want to say to Nadine when you meet her in person? I actually thought about this, and I'm not gonna freak out. I'm not gonna treat Nadine as a celebrity, because I'm pretty sure she's tired of it, and I'm pretty sure she just wants to be treated as equal. So I would just say, hi. Hi! I don't even know. I'm freaking out right now thinking
To
about
Nats, I would just ask.
Nats? Wow, you guys are friends?
I would just ask her to give me some free makeup because her skin is so perfect. I'd be like...
Actually, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna tell her. I'm gonna give a lot of compliments. I'm gonna tell her like, you are actually so genuinely so beautiful.
And so good. She's very talented.
So of course, well-rounded girl, like talented, business mogul, actress. She's a singer. She's a dancer.
Yeah, of course you have to compliment her. Like
yeah, and she's a woman. I love women who hustles and have their own name in the business. I love that. To Fabio.
Okay.
James Reid or Yani?
James. Where's the question? What question is that?
How long have you guys been dating?
Too long.
3.5 years.
3.5
Almost
years.
4 years. Our anniversary is October 5th. We're gonna say in this video, if you remember, if you're a true friend, we're gonna ask you and we're gonna give you gifts. October 5th. Or give us gift because it's our anniversary. When is Fabio gonna propose?
Oh, do I have
He's actually not answering it.
Do you have to answer for real?
Okay, fine, don't answer. My gosh. Any plan for marriage? There we go again.
You guys.
How did you guys meet and who made the first move?
I made it and I can recreate. It was kind of like, hey, wanna give me your number?
It was a drunk night.
Wasted.
It was a house party. I was ready to go home. Fabio stopped me because he wanted my Facebook. It was Facebook at that time.
Oh, was it Facebook?
There wasn't Instagram yet. So it's like, oh, add me on Facebook. Like, okay, I really forgot that I added him on Facebook. I just gave him my phone. Here, add yourself. That's what I did. And
a bitch from the beginning.
yeah, from the beginning. And I forgot the next day that we became friends on Facebook, and I just saw him like, oh, let me just message him. So I guess he made the first move, and I made the first move of messaging him. What made you decide to start a YouTube channel? This is not a gay pride question, but I just want to answer this because I get these questions a lot. But I started YouTube channel first because really just to document our moments, our travels, and to document the moments with my family, because I want memories later on, and that's how it started. And then Fabio came into the picture, you liked him, then we made a lot of videos and you liked those videos.
Yeah, I started YouTube just because of immigration. Wanted to ask for proof of relationship. So
Who is more goal-oriented?
I am very goal-oriented.
We're equal. I am too. What can you tell to those people who have experienced body shaming?
We shame each other all the time.
But we're allowed because we're boyfriends. But to strangers, be careful because some people might be sensitive about it.
Be confident in your own skin. The body is the thing that you carry on for the rest of your life, and that's the one that you were given. So if you want to change anything in your body, if you, I don't know, if you want to gain weight, if you want to lose weight, have a healthy diet, do your workout,
follow, yeah,
do what feels good for you.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to have a perfect body. We don't need to be all top models.
Since it's Pride Parade, what are you guys doing for Pride Parade on Sunday? Hoping to see some of you if you are from Toronto. Please come say hi. Don't be shy. Fabio and I are going to be marching. So if you see us on the parade, yell our names. We're going to be marching.
They say, guys!
Guys! I know.
Stupid guys!
Call us.
Names.
Call us, call our names, and then we will come approach us. We like to meet you guys, honestly. I have a resting beach face, like look.
That's what I see in the morning, every morning.
Like this. This is my resting beach face. I don't put any muscle. So do not be shy to do that, to approach us. Honestly, say hi and let's take pictures. So that concludes this video. Let's end this because it's Pride Parade. I'm gonna go out and have fun. Look, I have my colors.
And he's wearing my pants that are for
Thank
the parade.
you.
So I hope you'll watch them tonight.
Thank you so much for watching, and happy Pride to everyone. Be safe out there if you're celebrating, and always know your history before you celebrate something, and you know what Pride is. And congratulations to those people who came out, and learn to love yourself. Because if you can love yourself, how the hell you gonna love somebody else? Can I get an amen up in here? Amen!
No sachet.
Shay away. Bye guys.